Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. In a major development on the political discourse of the country, the NDA, the National Democratic Alliance leaders, formally have elected Prime Minister Narendra Modi as per the alliance leader for the third consecutive term. The NDA leaders passed resolution underlining the alliance government's commitment to serve poor, women, youth, farmers in the deprived sections of the society, as reported by the PTI. Lok Janshakti Party of the Ramvilas faction, the LGPRV chief Chirag Paswan, who has been elected from the Hajipur constituency in Bihar, said that his party and Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar are committed to the NDA alliance for the government formation. He said, "No doubt we have missed the target, but the NDA is united. I have spoken to my Chief Minister Nitish Kumar as well, and the government will be formed soon. Narendra Modi will continue to serve as the Prime Minister for the third consecutive term." In Bihar, under the seat-sharing pact, the LGP was allocated 5 seats, including Hajipur, Vaishali, Jamui, Samastipur, and Khagadia. Party candidates have won all these seats. In Maharashtra, Chief Minister and Shiv Sena Chief Eknath Shinde said that National Democratic Alliance has already achieved the numbers required to prove the majority, and the Narendra Modi will lead the new government, that is the third consecutive term after 2014, 2019 and now 2024. Under the Narendra Modi's leadership, said Eknath Shinde, the NDA will form the government at the center, and I am here in New Delhi to extend my support to him. Those who do not have numbers are talking about the formation, said Shinde in a press briefing. Shiv Sena has won 7 Lok Sabha seats in Maharashtra, including the Buldana, Aurangabad, Kalyan, Thane, Mumbai Northwest, Mawal and Hatkangle. Telugu Desam Party, the TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu, whose party won 16 Lok Sabha seats in Andhra Pradesh, has also asserted that he will be joining the National Democratic Alliance, that is the NDA. "We are in the NDA. I am going for an NDA meeting," Naidu said in his media briefing. Bihar Chief Minister, Janata Dal United Chief Nitish Kumar, who was earlier seen sitting with RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav on a flight en route New Delhi, has also reiterated that NDA will form the government at the center. The JDU has won 12 Lok Sabha seats in the state. The Lok Sabha polls for the 543 seats were held in 7 phases starting on April 19, with last phase on June 1. The Bharatiya Janata Party has 240 seats in their kitty, while out of the 543 members of the Lok Sabha, while its partners have won 53 seats, including the TDP winning 16, JDU winning 12, Shiv Sena 7, LGRPV by the Paswan Group 15, JDS 2, JNP 2, RLD 2, ADA AL 1, AGP 1, AGSUP 1, HAMS 1, NCP 1, SKM 1 and UPPL 1. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.